Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. Here's a rustic end table with a durable matte black metal frame, which is great for indoor use. In this video, we're going to show a closer view of its features and reference its height, and also why I have this in the home. 27 inches in height, lightweight, at a little over 14 pounds. Now let's have a look at multiple views of this product. The simulated hardwood construction is made with P2 grade particle board, which means it's denser and stronger than the standard particle board. This is great for indoor use and fits nicely beside the bed as a nightstand, which has a convenient drawer that easily slides out with a comfortable knob and has plenty of space for your items. Note there is no drawer stop on it, so it can pull all the way out. The overall dimensions is 27 inches high by a little over 11 inches wide by almost 14 inches deep. And last, it has adjustable protective feet. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.